Hello friend, welcome back to MiniCooper Garage. Here you are looking with me on 2006 MiniCooper, which I have recently purchased, and obviously I'm performing a bunch of inspections. And obviously one of the important parts of the car are the brakes. So let's go together and see in this video how to inspect brake fluid. And this vehicle, it's a 5-speed manual. That means it has a clutch. And in this case, brake fluid is being shared also with the clutch, and they are in the same reservoir, which you can see right here. And one of the most important things is that you have enough of the brake fluid. And I hope you can see here, there is a minimum mark, and this is a max mark. And your brake fluid definitely has to be between, and I can see it's actually dark here, so it is between these two marks. And the fact that the brake fluid is dark is unfortunately a problem, and you will see right now. Normally the brake fluid is supposed to be clear. This is a .4, you can see it on the lid. And the brake fluid, when it's brand new, is supposed to be clear. But as you can see, this is way over its lifetime. It's completely black with the dark residue in it, and therefore it needs to be replaced. There is also another requirement from the Mini or the BMW. They say that the brake fluid should be replaced every 2 years at minimum. And it's not enough just remove it here from this container, right from the reservoir. The brake fluid is bad in all the lines, all the way to the rear wheels and front wheels. So basically the correct way to deal with it is perform brake fluid flush. And that procedure will be part of different video. So my friend, I hope you enjoy this video, you find it somehow helpful, and make sure you are subscribed. Way more videos about Mini Coopers coming your way soon. Thanks for watching today, and have a nice day.